need to get something off my chest because this has been bothering me for like years. And every time I see a trailer like this, I feel like I'm personally attacked. I like horror. I love horror. Like cults, where do I sign up? Aliens? Probe me all you want. Demons, my body are open for you. Psychopath, the door's open. Come on in. But ghosts? Not all ghosts. And I need to be very clear about this. I hate the what do I say? Conjuring style ghosts. Like you understand me? You know what I'm saying? Like not like Ghostbuster. Ghosts are fine. Those are goofy. Like they know what they are. I mean the modern ghost horror. That's just a bloody person with a with a with a contorted physique. Like congrats, bro. You're scary because what? You have scoliosis and scream at the camera? Fuck off. Like here's the thing. Ghosts are supposed to be about the unknown for me. Not just a dead guy doing parkour in the hallway, okay? The moment I can clearly see the ghost, like, my brain checks out. I'm done. I'm not scared. I'm just watching special effects. Ghost horror, for me, lives in anticipation, not confirmation. And that's why I like horror with cults, demons, aliens, psychopaths. They have a reason to be scary. Cults are scary because people choose belief over morality. Demons are scary because it's a higher life than you. It's what people like me who believe in a religion, we were told like this is the enemy. Aliens are scary because they're more intelligent than you. And you don't even know if they see us as a living being. Are they seeing us as humans or are they seeing us as a test subject? Psychopaths are scary because they're human. That's worse. That could happen. There's logic, there's motivation, there's a reason to be afraid. Ghosts, they just show up like boo, and then slam a door, and then scream, and then disappear. Okay, cool. What am I scared here? Because a lot of those movies doesn't feel like horror. They feel like a haunted house attraction. Like you're not meant to feel fear. You're meant to flinch, and that's not the same thing, man. Which brings me to my mortal enemy, jump scares. I hate jump scare. I despise it. Like genuinely, fuck off. And before someone goes, well, actually, jump scare have their places. I know. I just don't like that. Almost everyone misuse it because jump scare doesn't scare you. They surprise you. They startle you. That's your nervous system reacting to a loud noise. That's not fear. That's a gunshot at 3 a.m. Like, if your horror only works because the audio spiked by like 200%, you didn't scare me. You yelled at me. That's it. That's like if a comedian walk on stage and just honk an air horn and went gotcha. What am I supposed to feel here? Like real fear sits with you. It lingers. It makes you look behind when you're alone. When you just got back from the cinema, you keep looking behind your back. Jump scares goes, and then they're gone. And the movie keeps doing it over and over. Like, see, you jump again. Yeah, because you conditioned me like a fucking lab rat. And like, this is where ghosts should shine, but usually don't. A ghost should feel like an absence, like something is wrong with the nothingness here. You understand me? The scariest thing about ghosts is it's not seeing the ghost. It's supposed to be wondering, is the ghost here with us? And that's why I like ghosts when it's invisible, or like it is implied that there is a ghost here, or like, treated like a force rather than a character. Like, one of my favorite example of this is the first half of the Korean horror Exuma. The ghost there is not like some guy that is covered in blood. No, it's not. It's it is cultural, it's spiritual, it's historical. Until the end, you don't get a clean reveal of what the ghost look like. You don't get a monster shot. You get unease. And like, that's what I want. Because the moment the movie shows me exactly what I'm afraid of, boom, ghost. My brain relaxes. Mystery is gone, the unknown is gone. And now it's just, I don't know, a yoga instructor. Once the ghost has a face, it's not a mystery anymore. It's like it's a boss fight now. And I don't want a boss fight in my horror. Just like in the second part of Exuma. Like, I don't want the ghost running at the camera with like a loud noise, like it's trying to be a YouTube thumbnail. The best horror trusts the audience to sit in discomfort without answers, And modern ghost movies are terrified of that. They don't want you to be bored for even 5 seconds. So they just keep throwing noises at you, like jingling a key in front of someone. And the worst part is, they look scary, but they don't feel scary. A bloody face and a broken neck isn't scary. It's gore. Like, if that's all it takes to be a horror movie, then a Halloween store would have been the scariest place on this damn earth. But it's not. Because fear isn't about what you see, it's about what you can't see. That's why alien horror works, because it's not the alien, it's the intent of the alien. That's why cult horror works. It's not the cult themselves, it's their belief clouding any sense of morality. That's why demon horror works. Kind of the same way as Alien, It's not about the demons themselves, it's about what they want to do, what their intention is. Ghosts make you question whether the next scene is gonna be loud or not. And yeah, I know, some people love that stuff. You're wrong. I'm kidding. That's fine. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying it does nothing for me. If I'm gonna watch horror, I wanna feel watched. I wanna feel unsettled. I wanna feel like something is wrong when I get home. Not just reset. If your ghost need to scream to be scary, maybe it's not scary. Okay? Give me silence, give me implication, give me the unknown. Because the unknown will always be scarier than anything you can fully put on screen. And if the ghost show its face, I'm already out. Just like I'm out of this video. Thank you for watching. That's a bad, God, that is a bad segment. Oh my god, I'm sorry for that. Thank you for watching me rant about horror for I don't know how many long. Like, subscribe. I forget. This week's song recommendation. The song for this week is As Time Goes By, or the Korean title Seuri Gamyeon by Choi Hoseok. It's a beautiful song. I'm not gonna spoil you guys about anything. It is a very good song. Give it a listen. As usual, I'll put a YouTube link on the description. What else? Have I said it? Maybe I have. I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't know. Share this video to any of your friends that like jump scare. You're weird. Why do you like this kind of thing? Bye bye.